To me last week, Thursday, by my agent, agent on case Attorney Albao, because si Ali was as international figure, being champion sa ultimate, sa Michelle, ito si Ali Kali, itong champion sa ultimate beach match. Ako, yes, I swimming a lot of times. And of course, nag-ibig ko na hindi ko lang na-save sa ano. So, yun. Tapos sige, kasuhin mo, yung nasabi na nag-report daw because of reported threats on his life. After that, wala na akong ibang development. Of course, Atty. Albao, sabi ko nga, is tracking the case. And sabi ko nga, in coordination with the station commander of Talong, mga investigador